guys, welcome back to Susmita Priyadarshini's art class. Oh, what is kept on my table? The bunches of leaves. So guess what we are going to make today? We are going to study the leaves, and this is called the nature study. Nature study plays an important part in art. See, some leaves are smaller in size, some are big, some bent, some straight in a straight position. We not only study a single leaf, so the relation between two leaves, how far one leaf is from another. And in this way, we will develop observation power. We not only study the sizes, ratio and proportion, we will have the idea of lights and shades. For example, see right now the light is coming from this side, so this side of my face is lighter and this side is darker, and same is with this bunches of leaves also. So when we will start the shading, we will have the idea of lighter and darker tone. If one will be able to do nature study in a right manner, he or she will be master in portrait study also. You people do not have to make the same plant or same leaves. Whatever is available at your home, in your garden, you will take that. We will take that bunch of leaves and please study that. So, why are you waiting? Let's start. First, we will draw the bottle, and for this, we will keep a straight line. Now, one side of now, for drawing the second side, we will adopt measuring method. There is no need of a scale for measuring. Just we will take the pencil and measure at different points, and we will give point on another side. See, in this way, we will have the series of different points. Now we have to just align all these lines. Now we join all these points and we will exactly get symmetric line this side. This water level. Now we will start this leaf. we will see the folded part of leaf. See the beauty here. One time fold and then another third fold is there. So this way we will erase this. Bunches of leaves we have drawn. See the inside of the glass. This also have to draw. So drawing is complete. Now we will start shading.